Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into topics that's essential for anyone looking to create and experiment with their own website. Today, we are tackling it as that simpler than drag and drop by simply install WordPress on XAMPP localhost for your Windows system. And guess what? We have got all the shiny 2023 update to make it breeze. Getting started, let's dive right in and make this happen. Before we jump into step-by-step process, let's quickly run through how you may want to set up WordPress environment on your local machine. It's a fantastic way to test new themes, plugin, or even build an entire website before going live. Plus, it saves space to experiment without impacting your online presence. Step 1. Installing XAMPP. If you don't have XAMPP already, we will guide you through the installation process to get your local server up and running. Now let's dive on step 2, downloading and installing WordPress. We will show you how to grab the latest version of WordPress and integrate it seamlessly into your XAMPP environment. After the installation process was completed, extract WordPress file and paste on XAMPP folder. On the next step, open XAMPP and then click on Start button, both Apache and MySQL server. As we mentioned earlier, paste the extract WordPress file located XAMPP folder inside htdocs. Then creating a database by simply going to my PHP admin page. Don't worry, we will walk you through the process of setting up MySQL database to store your WordPress content database. Alright, now we come up with the exciting part, configuring WordPress. We will guide you through the initial step, including defining your site name, admin credential, and more. And finally, exploring your local WordPress site. We will take a tour of your newly site setup, show how to access the admin dashboard, and discuss some key features. Then click on visit site. This is going to redirect you sample site. So you can see the header, the title, and sample page. So you can simply edit your site by simply clicking on edit site. Also, you can easily install more themes to make your website beautiful by simply click add in, then you can choose several themes from there. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress in your XAMPP localhost environment on your PC. Now you have playground to test, create, and innovate before taking your project live. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.